Executive producer po ng GNN at saka yung sa Barangay Tayo program, sa pong public service program po na nagigiliwan po ng milyong-milyong mga tao. And I'm happy to report to you na ang taong bayan gustong-gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng eleksyon. Kaya lang nakakagilian sa page at saka sa YouTube channel at saka sa GNN na yung mga nakaupo naman gusto naman makancel, mag-postpone. At tanong ko po dito po sa Liga, along with another question po, dito po sa Liga ng Barangay, don't you think na since you told us a while ago that there should be a stop complaining, this is a self-serving enactment by Congress, self-serving na kami pong mga kagawad, mga kapitan na itinabang dito, that they should also be a stop from filing. Are they really the right party to the cause? Kasi nga self-serving po yan sa mga nakaupo.
Yes, para sa talagang even in the case of the bid versus Covenant, I think 1987 or 1988, which I cited also in my petition, itong mga barangay officials na ito, they cannot question yung sinasabi ng shortness of term nila. Kasi sabi nga ng Korte Suprema, the fact that they filed the certificate of candidacy, they already stopped from claiming na sila ay affected. So I would subscribe also to your point na they are not the real party in interest. Hindi sila proper party to question yung aming petition. Kasi andyan naman na yung Senate, andyan ay Congress, andyan ang Office of the President, andyan ang COMELEC. Sila ang dapat sumagot kasi sila ang mag-i-implement, sila ang gumawa ng mga batas. Itong mga barangay officials ito, naghihintay lang sila. They should just wait, At hindi yung parang ngayon ay pupunta sila sa Korte Suprema at sasabihin na affected kami, and that is the reason why we are filing our opposition to the petition of Atty. Makalita. So ako, that if ever we would be asked by the Supreme Court to comment on the petition of the Liga, that would be our position, that they are not the real party of interest, that they cannot be an intervenor, no? Because they are stopped from questioning yung shortness of the term of office which they are claiming na they are only serving for only 2 years.
Yes, thank you very much. As a follow-up question.
Pero ang papasalamat ako doon sa sinabi mo na marami talaga yung gusto na ipagpatuloy talaga ang election. I hope the Supreme Court will also realize that and will also be informed that almost the great majority of our people really want the election to push through. As a matter of fact, doon sa TCWD isang araw, nagkaroon sila ng survey, yung isang program nila Wayne Salvacion at saka ni Wayne de la Peña, na tinanong nila ang taong bayan, yung mga business nila, kung gusto nilang ipagpatuloy o hindi ang barangay election. Talagang 80% ng kanilang mga listeners, they were for that the election should push through, at gusto nilang matuloy ang ating halaman.
One of the reasons na pinasya nila yan, Your Honor, is kinakailangan daw synchronize yung election. Now, I get what you mean dun sa paninilang nila sa postponement, yung pinag-uusapan, lalo na yung November 2, because mabubuhin sila na hindi na pagkakalan yung November 2. Any politician will tell you na paano naman ako aabot ng boto. Yung November 2, kamag-anak ko nasa pilihan.
Saka isa pa, yung sinabi mo na ayun yung simpatya na ito.
Patuloy po yun sa pamalik, sign sa pamalik, sabi nila, handa sila, pero November 2, yung mga kung handa yung mga staff nila from doing their duty.
Yes, kasi nasa probinsya din sila.
Yes. At anyway, sinabi nila is to synchronize the polls, pero if you compute it, Your Honor, attorney, sa 2034, the next presidential election, kasabay na naman nila ang national and local election and barangay election.
Yes.
So, tatlo ulit election now. Ano mo masasabi nito?
Ipupusto na naman nila yun. Hihingi naman sila ng postpone. Tsaka hindi pwede sabihin ng synchronization. Kasi ang barangay manual election yan. At sa ating national local election talaga automated. Kaya hindi mo pwede i-synchronize yung barangay. At even if automated ang barangay elections, hindi mo pwede pagsabay-sabay yan. Kasi napakadami kandidato yan. Hundreds of thousands halos yan. Dahil sa 42,000 barangays yan, ay 7 positions at stake. Ilan na yan? Alam naman natin na ang daming kakandidato dyan for every position. Kaya napakadami ng pangalan nilalagay mo sa balota. Kaya hindi po pwede na nagkaroon ng synchronized election in national